Hey Fox, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix slow performing Google Chrome. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Double tap to open, and once you open your Google Chrome, go to the upper right side of your screen and locate the three dots here. Once you find the three dots, click that to open, and then scroll down to locate settings. So once you are being redirected to the settings, go to the left side of it and simply scroll down and then find reset settings. Okay, we can see here next to the system. Just click that and here click again and go to this reset settings. Don't worry because it states here bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So it will just reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies, and other temporary site data. Okay? Just have to click settings, reset settings, and then okay. Okay? So the next step is we need to go for extensions. Sometimes we accidentally add extensions in some of the sources or websites that we have visited. Okay, just go to the three dots and then there you find extensions. Go for manage extensions. And once you open your extensions, identify those unwanted sources or spammy or extensions that is present here. If you identify any unfamiliar extensions, just simply remove it by simply clicking the removed and it will be completely removed in your extensions. Okay? So the next one is let's say if your Google Chrome after doing all of these steps, your Google Chrome is not yet performing well, then let's clean your computer. Okay? How? Just search for command prompt here at the bottom search bar, type CMD for short, and then let's just wait for the best match to appear here and go to run as administrator. Here, your user account control will ask you to allow, just go for yes. Okay. Once this new window is open, we will input a command. I'll be pasting this in the description box below, so don't worry. Just have to copy it and then paste it here. This will clean your internet catalog. So it will take some time. You just have to wait. Okay? So once this done, check your Google Chrome if it's working better. And if it's not, then let's put a command here. Okay. Paste it here. Enter. Just don't reset your computer. Let's just input this command. Just simply scroll down. Control V to paste. Again, don't worry, I'll be pasting this in the description box below. Okay. Hit enter to continue. So After inputting all of this command, you just have to restart your computer and see the difference, okay? Let's say if your computer or the Google Chrome is still performing slow, then let's clean your computer. How? Just press Windows key and R together, or you can simply go with this Windows icon, do a right click, and go for Run. Here, you need to type for clean mgr and then click OK to continue. And this disk cleanup window will appear. Here it will shows files, junk files that needs to be deleted. Okay? These are files created by your system and not by you. So don't worry, this is harmless. This will not delete the data that you've created. Okay? So in my case, my disk cleanup will free up to 1.27 gigabyte. It might be in your case that it is more than 1.27. It might be 3 gigabyte, 5 gigabyte of disk space. So it will help your computer free up space. Okay, so don't put a heavy load on your computer. Okay, because these junk files will completely affect the performance, especially the browsing performance, the gaming performance of your computer. Okay, after that, just click OK and then delete files. Once done, your unnecessary files in your machine will be deleted. Just keep those folders in use and it will now continue on deleting. Okay? So those are the useful steps on how to speed up your Google Chrome. Hope this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated into our more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.